What if I told you that disappearing could be the most powerful thing you ever do? No, I'm not talking about magic tricks or vanishing into thin air. I mean truly stepping away from the noise, the distractions, the old version of yourself, only to return as something unrecognizable. A stronger, smarter, and unstoppable version of you. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to disappear, and more importantly, how to come back transformed. Stay with me until the end, because this might just change your life. Part 1. Why disappear? Most people never change because they are trapped by their past, by expectations, by the fear of being alone. But the greatest transformations happen in isolation. Think about it. Every legend, every success story, has a phase where they disappeared. Sung Jin-woo from Solo Leveling, he was weak, mocked, barely surviving. Then he disappeared, trained in solitude, and came back as the strongest hunter alive. Bruce Wayne disappeared to become Batman. Even real-life icons, like monks, entrepreneurs, and artists, step away to reinvent themselves. And that's exactly what you need to do. But how? Part 2. How to disappear. Step 1. Cut the noise. Social media, gone. Endless distractions, eliminated. You need silence to hear your own thoughts. If people ask where you are, simply say you're working on something big. Step 2. Go into the shadows. This is where the real work happens. Pick a skill, a craft, or a goal. Something that will make you unrecognizable when you return. Whether it's mastering a skill, building a business, or transforming your body, this is the time to go all in. Step 3. Endure the loneliness. This is the hardest part. You'll feel lost. You'll question yourself. But remember, a butterfly's transformation happens inside a cocoon. Stay patient, because when you emerge, you won't be the same. Step 4. Upgrade your mind and body. This emphasizes self-improvement through books, training, and mental sharpening, ensuring the transformation is complete. Part 3. How to reappear with power. Now comes the moment of truth, your return. But you don't just come back, you arrive. Step 1. Control the narrative. When you return, let your actions speak. Walk in with confidence, not explanations. People will see the difference before you even say a word. Step 2. Shock them with results. You were weak, now you're powerful. You were lost, now you have purpose. You were ignored, now they can't ignore you. Step 3. Never look back. The old you is gone. You disappeared to transform, and now you walk forward as a new person. The world will either respect you or fear you. Either way, you've won. Step 4. Build a new legacy instead of just returning. You now set new goals and keep growing, solidifying your transformation. So, are you ready to disappear? Are you ready to step into the darkness and come back as something greater? If this video sparked something inside you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you're serious about transformation, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because here, we don't just talk about change, we become it. See you on the other side.